Every other week is Ace Lord. But what do we do during the weeks when there isn't an Ace Lord? There is a series of events. Most players refer to it as Get Week, which honestly is a lot of it's the same as what you do in Ace Lord, but it isn't an overarching thing. Your points don't add up over them all for a big final prize the way it does for Ace Lord. So, the first day of Get Week, we have two events. I'm not sure if personal activity is actually considered part of Get Week per se, but it happens the first day of Get Week every other week, so we're gonna toss it in here. So, the big one is Hero Upgrade, which I mentioned in the Ace Lord Phase 4 video is why a lot of people are kind of annoyed that they changed Ace Lord Phase 4 to Hero Rising, because it's the same darn thing as this one, and it's only a few days before. There didn't used to be an Ace Lord phase for getting heroes, and so everybody would save their fragments and stuff until today, until this event. And now we've got to choose between the two. For those of us who've been playing for years, it's a little frustrating. Anyway, but it's essentially the same thing. You get points for obtaining frags. And as I showed in the Ace Lord Phase 4 video, you can do that in the Hero Hall by doing using the Oath Runes. Get that done. Doing exchanges will not count. I had actually waited until today. I had gotten there's a prior one for getting 10 Anubis frags that I had waited until today, and then I forgot that I wanted to do this recording, so I collected it before showing y'all. I apologize. If I get more coins, I might get Heart too, because I don't have him enhanced all the way yet. And then there's in the exchange shops, you can buy frags directly for Elros and Yoon. You can get hero choice cards, which when you use them give you frags. You can get more Oath Runes. Same thing in the Legion shop. The hero choice cards, or Sarbor frags, or Oath Runes. And then, of course, in your bag, Arena surprise chests tend to have Elros frags, and really, I mean, honestly, they don't really need to be saved for anything else because they've got speed ups. So I actually don't even tend to save them for this event. I just happen to have some. Championship surprise chests don't, though. And then these Hero Perfect frags, you can see it says no event points granted there at the end. So, use them as soon as you get them if you want, because they're not good for any event points. And demon chests from doing fortresses, depending on the level, some of them have frags, and they almost always will drop one of these cards. So if you don't feel like saving them all the way until an event for the other things, you could always use them here to get those. And then in the diamond shop, under miscellaneous, you can buy Oath Runes for diamonds. The other event that it's always at the same time, so I'll go ahead and include it, is personal activity. And this one is just getting points for daily quest events, getting those done. Yet another reason to do them, and another reason why I'm very confused why more people don't. As you can see, there's some nice, there's iron and gold rewards in the second half. That's pretty standard. They figure if you can only finish the first half, then you're probably low level enough that you need the wooden and lumber, or the lumber and the food. Yeah. But if you can get higher, then you're more advanced, and you probably need the iron and gold as well. So there's that at least. And that is day 1 of Get Week.